Facebook just surpassed $1 trillion in market cap. Facebook is joining the 1 trillion club. Check out the market cap on Facebook stock. First day ever that it surpassed 1 trillion. I'm a proud shareholder of Facebook. We're going to be discussing this move today. It's my next home run stock, surpassing 100% growth in the share price since I've held Facebook, and why I'm still bullish and not selling Facebook shares. So welcome back to another video. My name is Adam, and on this channel we talk about finances from stocks to cryptocurrencies, and I reveal my portfolio periodically. So a pretty big 4% jump late in the day for Facebook stock, and I think the major thing pushing this price up is a district court dismissed the Federal Trade Commission's antitrust complaint against Facebook on Monday, finding that the agency's complaint is legally insufficient in its opinion. The court also dismissed a parallel case brought by state attorneys general. So Facebook and other tech companies are getting hammered with antitrust suits, and this has been weighing on Facebook's and other tech company share prices lately. And another thing why Facebook generally tends to trade at a premium is that not many people like Mark Zuckerberg. A lot of people actually think that he's a lizard person or an alien, which is of course still up for debate. But again, he's not, that personable of a person. The movie that was made about him, The Social Network, doesn't necessarily portray him in the best light. And these types of things in general, you wouldn't think that they affect a stock price, but they kind of do. Okay, when you compare that to something like Elon Musk and Tesla, Tesla trades at a crazy multiple relative to Facebook, and I think part of it is just the CEO of Tesla, right? Elon Musk is this hype man that's just out there and everybody loves him. Okay, but let's talk about Facebook. So again, right now this just became my next home run stock, which I define as 100% plus. So as we can see, we gained $1,200 right now if I sold today for 103% gain. And I have only 7 Facebook shares. That's how many I was comfortable with buying for an average cost of $175. And I bought it last year when the whole market crashed. So I'm very happy with this position. I'm not going to sell out of this stock. I'm not anywhere near selling out of Facebook. I think this has huge potential. Part of the upward move could also be 2 ratings given by analysts on Facebook. So these are the brokerages here, and they gave price targets of 400 and 460 respectively. And they're actually ranked quite highly, ranked 20th and 55th out of 7,572 analyst ranking, okay? And of course, this is FB is a symbol for Facebook. I'm very happy with Facebook's move upwards, and let's just compare valuations and multiples. The reason why I'm in Facebook and not Google, for example, or Amazon is because I think Facebook is a tremendous growth play that has a lot of earnings potential and a lot going on it, especially with its new Oculus headsets, its virtual reality, and I think that could be a dominant market cap. Just they're even partnering with Ray-Bans to produce VR sunglasses, and there's just so many things going for Facebook. Price to earnings ratio trailing 12 months is 30, but when you look at, this is the message boards, they're already blowing up. 107 people viewing it right now, joining the 1 million club. When you look at the forward PE, is 23, and that's very cheap relative to other tech companies. For example, Amazon's forward PE is valued at like a 40. When you compare it to Google's forward PE is a 26. Okay, so not much above, but still, like it kind of matters. And Google is not growing as fast as Facebook is. Okay, 2021 they're expecting 30% growth in Google, 16% growth in 2022, so 29% and close to 17%, while Facebook is expecting 34% and 19%. So higher growth in Google, yet it trades at an even more undervalued multiple relative to Google. Okay, so this is again part of the reason why I really like Facebook in general more than other tech stocks. All right, and that's why I'm invested in Facebook. I'm invested in Alibaba and Baidu. I just think they present better deals, and I think I'll be rewarded in the long run. But that's just my opinion. This is just for entertainment purposes. Please do your own due diligence before buying and selling shares. And check out the recent quarters. They posted it, I think, like 3 or 4 weeks ago. So earnings were $3.30 per share versus $2.37 analysts expected. So they destroyed earnings estimates. Revenue was $26 billion versus $23 billion expected. Again, destroyed that. Daily active users came in a little bit lower, 1.88 instead of 1.89 billion as of analyst expectations, and monthly active users were 2.85 billion versus 2.86 billion expected. So it's relatively in line, just fell just short of that. Average revenue per user, $9.27. So if you have Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, on average, you're giving them $9.27 per quarter. Whew, like that is impressive to me. Just based off of their ads and stuff. So I'm really excited again with where Facebook is going into the virtual reality space, and you know, other stuff like that. So I still think Facebook is incredibly undervalued. My personal price target for Facebook is easily above $400 per share. That's where I think it should be trading at relative to other tech companies. 1 to 2 years out, I think this could be a $500 plus stock. Okay, and I'm not going to be selling my shares. I just see no point in selling my shares. Yeah, there's again a lot of talk that their virtual reality segment is growing at such a fast clip and is going to be profitable in the near term, and will be one of the main sources of Facebook's income long term. All right, and of course they're partnering with Ray-Bans for their virtual glasses. But I mean, just you cannot beat the multiples that Facebook has if you're looking at a high growth tech company. Yeah, let's just at the end, I just want to go through the message boards to get some comedic relief here. Facebook joins 1 trillion market cap club today for his first time. U.S. court dismisses the lawsuit, which is huge. Danish bill will require tech giants Facebook and Google to pay for media content. So this is something new, is where international countries will require other outlets, again, such as Facebook, to pay for the media coverage that's on their site. And that was led initially by Australia. So that's, you know, pretty cool. So let's see. This will definitely hit Facebook's bottom line, but since Facebook is so big, I think it'll be a drop in the bucket. So yeah, a lot of hype comments around Facebook. So yeah, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it as well. Feel free to check out the links down below, for example, to the free Discord, as well if you'd like to join my channel, starting at I think like $250 something a month. Feel free to do that. That supports me in a tremendous way. If you want to follow my buys and sells in real time, feel free to check out the description below, the link to my Patreon. But take care. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.